Dies, dish, dies, speech, malfunction. Organism scanned. It is guinea pig. Must work on speech malfunction. Yes, must work on scanning malfunction. Organism guinea pig. Name Mandy. Organism Solitaire. Living specter in playing deck cards. Asgardian doll. Former evil, now good. No more villains, or no more villains to be scanned. Scanning, 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 scanning. No more living organisms, just scanning. Prepare, search, and destroy mode. Oh my god, I better warn the others about this. An evil Professor Nerd? This is really gonna piss me. What the hell? Is that a Millennium Lego? Yes, he is coming quite together. My wax figurine of my hero will come. Hey you. What do you want, American? Can't you see I am building wax figure of my hero, Captain Weaponry? But he is a villain in our country. What do you care? I will kill you for his namesake. Do you worship him, you sick bastard? Of course I do. That's it. Pick up your sword, we're fighting. Fine, American, but you will lose. Oh my god. You give up yet, American? Oh hell, he does, mighty. What the hell? What is this? I am Solitaire, the mighty. No! Mr. Weaponry, what just happened? The mighty, I had to save your ass for the first time. Well, it's not hard to say, but I was attacked by what was basically a Millennium Lego. They're stealing our blueprints. Luckily, you're mythological. How do you say it? Mythological? Yeah, that. Yeah, well, I am part robot too, so they could steal my blueprints too. But either might say, they don't. The best thing that they don't have is a cursed pair of cards. And especially that pair of cards is the spirit of a World War II veteran. True, true. But guys, what are we gonna do? I just noticed that there's a giant super nerd android. You serious? Look over there. We better notify Mandy. Zring zring. Zring.
This is Mandy Watcher, what be going on?
Mandy, we have reports that there are a super android nerd based on Professor Nerd.
Professor Nerd? You gotta be kidding me.
No, we are not joking.
We are frigicled. What are we gonna do?
We must fight him.
Hurry, send a message.
Alright, we better get to Mandy's base pronto. Hello. 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 Mandy Rob, Lego Man. Solitaire. Oh, ow! Mandy! Pronto! Help me! Pronto, pronto!
Get it!
You will die, pig. Ah ha ha. Oh. No! You cannot snap my neck, but I can to you. Ah!
You forget he has telekinesis.
Oh my god. Androids cannot die. Ah! Like I said, androids cannot die. What the hell? Ugh. My glasses! No! That's my key PowerPoint! Shut! Mandy, control him!
Wait!
What should we do? Just fire all power! Who's next to die? Hooah, 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 hooah. You're next to die, pig. Oh. What the hell? Poker cards. Ah ha ha ha. Not just any poker cards, matey. Android depletion down. Self-destruct in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Aye, thanks then, matey. No problem, Solitaire.
You guys take your time, rebuild yourselves together, and when you're all healed up nicely, we march forward, alright?
Alright, just let us help our friend, Mandy. Yeah, Shug. This guy looks really bad. Thank you, my friends. I will heal up nicely. Lucky thing you're not with the Asgardian dolls anymore. Shut up.
Alright, our next prerogative is to find Mike and Professor Dork. Once we find them, we're out of here, man. You understand?
Yes, we do.